Teradata has expanded its AI factory platform to work with on-premises data centers, giving organizations, especially the ones in highly regulated industries, more control and lower costs when they end up building the inevitable AI applications. This platform includes tools for managing data, AI models, and integrations with services like those found in NVIDIA, making it easier for IT teams to deploy AI without fully relying on the cloud. Al, we've seen a lot of buzz from people who are wanting to build AI into their things, but they can't get around that pesky regulator. Is this going to be a way for Teradata to break open that market and just run with it?
Absolutely, and I think there's a few drivers for bringing the actual production part of AI on premises. We know the cloud is a great place, as they say. Cloud is a great place to try and to fail, but it can be an expensive place to try and succeed. And so we definitely see large language models being developed on the cloud, particularly ones that are using open sources for all of their data, or at least allegedly open sources. And that's what we see for all of the foundation models. But those foundation models are not what organizations are using to build their AI applications, to gain AI insights within their business applications. Fine-tuned models and then inference being run from those fine-tuned models is the way to actually generate business value. Often that fine-tuning and definitely the inference uses a whole lot of data which is proprietary and highly valuable within the organization. As you say, Tom, is often highly regulated. And these are the drivers for retaining that data on premises, where you've got physical control of where it is. And there's a stronger perception also that you can stop leakage back into the original AI model, because of course that model's running on your premises. You can control whether the data you feed it is being used to train it somewhere. Certainly whether it's being used, the data you feed it is being used to train it for your competitors, as might happen if you feed your data into an open source model out in the public location. So running on premises, or at least within your own tenancy in a cloud, seems to be a good methodology. And particularly, we see far more use of AI inference desired to be run on premises. One of the things we saw quite frequently in AI infrastructure field day events here at Tech Field Day is that this is hard work. Building the infrastructure to run AI at any large scale is really hard work. There's a bit of work to be done to get it to work for just one use case. But when you start looking at addressing 30, 40, 50, 100, 200 use cases within your organization, you're talking about building a fully multi-tenant, highly scalable infrastructure for running inference. And this is where the challenges really mount up. And it's against this backdrop that Teradata is taking their AI factory, which historically has been part of their Vantage cloud service, and saying, well, you can deploy that out on premises. We can reduce the load required, the effort required by your in-house team to get to that multi-tenant, multi-use case AI infrastructure, whilst retaining all of your data on premises, whether that's purely because you need it there for performance reasons. Right? If you're using real-time updating data, well, the closer your computers, your inferences to where that data is being generated, the lower latency you can achieve for that real-time data. Or whether it is truly just about compliance, about we're not allowed to store this elsewhere. And I was talking to somebody about sovereign clouds a couple of days ago, and the idea that you might actually have to be certain that all of your cloud data was within the same sovereign space. I know in France, a French company has to retain all of its data about its French operations on French soil. These are all challenges that are much harder to fulfill, to achieve when you're using public cloud. If you know you've physically got it within a data center that is in your Lyon location, then you can absolutely be certain it's within France. So yes, I think this is definitely about easing that on-ramp, making it simpler to get started, to get beyond a couple of simple use cases of AI and get widespread AI adoption within your organization. Teradata isn't the first one to offer an AI factory on premises. I'm sure they won't be the last, but if you're highly committed into Teradata, if it's the way you store the majority of your business data, then their AI factory seems like a very good way to work, because being data-centric, thinking very clearly about what data you have that is going to bring value through your AI is going to be central to this.